Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to access and use Tesla Toolbox Diagnosis via iQMaxPro Manager application. Please follow along step by step. Quick note before we begin. In this video, we have used Tesla Model S and cable meant for the Model S. In your case, if you have different model, you will need different cable. 1. Connect correct Tesla cable based on your model to the car and then to your computer and start your Tesla. 2. Once your Tesla is on, you must put it inside the service mode and make it unlocked. To do that, you must go to Service tab, hold the model logo, and once you see the pop-up, type in Service. Three. Now you are in the service mode. Next thing you must do is press and hold the brake pedal and the turn signal stalk fully up until you see the text saying, Unlocking, on your Tesla screen until it gets unlocked. 4. Now go to your computer and start your iQMaxPro and go to Tesla tab. 5. Press green Enter button at the top right. 6. After that, you will see small instructions and cables recommended for different Tesla models. Find the red button, Enter website below and click it. 7. Now you are inside the Tesla Toolbox website. Before you connect your vehicle using the Connect button at the top right, you must go to your control panel and find your network and internet settings, then Ethernet. Eight. Configure Ethernet IPv4 by setting the IP address to 192.168.90.125 and the subnet mask to 255.255.255.0, leaving the rest as default and save. Nine. Return to the Tesla Toolbox page, refresh it, connect to the vehicle, and confirm diagnostics are ready. That's it. As you can see, we successfully connected. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more tutorials, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us through our official website.